Hi everyone, welcome to D Dawn Kitchen. Today guys, D Dawn is in the kitchen to do what? Ackee and saltfish. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Dawn is doing a video. And to all my YouTuber supporter subscriber, follower, a big warm welcome to you all. We are one big family under the YouTube umbrella. Brella. Let's get started. 1 pound saltfish, 1 onion, 2 stalks of scallion, 1 tomato, 1 ounce cooking butter, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, half teaspoon all-purpose, half teaspoon black pepper, oil, gonna be like 6 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm using the olive oil, and a piece of bell pepper, aka sweet pepper. It doesn't matter what color bell pepper you want to use, whether you want to use the green or the yellow or the red. It doesn't make a difference. The first thing when you buy the saltfish, it looking like this. And you can see even the salt on it. You see that salt, and it has scale. So you have to ensure you get out all the salt from the saltfish. So what you do, you put it in some water, rinse it off properly, and put it in some water and let it soak overnight. After you finish soaking the saltfish overnight, you're going to show that water off, and then you're going to rinse the saltfish again and put it on the fire to boil for at least 5 to 7 minutes. After you finish boiling the saltfish in that water, you're going to pour the water off, and you're going to put the saltfish in a bowl just like this, and we're going to put some water on it. So having your saltfish soaking in the bowl, I'm going to get it in a bigger bowl. Here is a pot of water. We're going to set this on the fire. Bear in mind guys, you already have the ackees that is in a tin already processed, but this is the unprocessed ackees. These are the ackees that you pick straight from the tree, and it come in a pad. I'm sorry I don't have the pad to show you how it stay. Normally 3 or 4 just like this came in the pad, and it have a seed, a black seed here. So you have to pick it out, and you got to take out the red stuff from inside. It have some red thing on the inside here. So you just use a knife and you clean it out. You want to clean out all the gut from it, and you cut the seed out. So now that we already clean up this ackee and everything, we're ready for cooking. So this is the saltfish already cooked. And after it finished cook, remember you have to remove the scale. Like this is the scale. Just use a knife and remove everything from it. And you want to take the inside out too, like the remaining of the gut that leave on it. You just take the knife and you remove the bones. So this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna pick in the saltfish just like this. And you put it in the water, fresh water. Let me taste. The salt is already out. It's not too salty. So you have to work with water with the saltfish, guys. And remember, you boil it, let it cook, and then you're gonna pick it up or break it up just like this. Remove the bones. We don't need all the bones in it like this. You pick it up just like this size, or if you want to go a little finer, you can do. With the tin ackee, you don't have to boil it because it already come cooked. We're just gonna cut it, pour the water off, and then after you put all the seasoning and your saltfish in, then you put that ackee in. But this one unprocessed, so we have to cook it. So stay tuned. You pour the ackee in the boiling water. We don't need any salt. Because remember, the salt, the ackee is already salted. The saltfish is already salted. Although we boil it out, it have a little salt just to maintain the ackee. So we're gonna make this ackee boil, guys, just for like 5 minutes. You have butter ackee and you have some of them really hard. After 5 minutes, in the meantime this is boiling, we're gonna work on our seasoning. And the bell pepper. We're gonna cut the head right here out. You don't need this piece. And then we're gonna cut it. I already rinsed all my seasoning and I peel the onion. So with the onion, you're gonna cut in rings. I'm using black pepper because I have no Scotch bonnet pepper. If you have your Scotch bonnet pepper, it's good to use in the ackee and saltfish. You can just use a little black pepper if you don't have it. Just like I don't have. Pour this out. I'm gonna cut on the scallion. After 5 minutes, you want to test the ackee. So this is a fork, and you see the fork go right through the ackee and it breaks, so you know your ackee is cooked. You don't want it to overcook for it to turn porridge. So this time now, you turn the stove off. You're gonna strain it from the boiling water. You saw the ackee them stand up firm, but them softer. Yes, you don't want your ackee cook softer than this, because remember, you don't want a porridge around here, right? So the ackee water now, you're gonna pour this off. Let it drain. Same pot, I boil the ackee in. I'm gonna put in the oil. You can use any oil you have, guys. You can see bubbles come in. You see bubbles? So we know our pot is heated just enough for the onion. And our bell pepper, you just wanna put them in that pot. Just give it like 1 minute, stir. After 1 minute, you add the tomato in. I just want it sauteed in the oil and give it that nice aroma, that nice color. So you have that beautiful color with the ackee and your saltfish. After 1 minute, we're gonna add the saltfish in, and ensure you drain all the water that was on it. Add the black pepper and the all-purpose seasoning. If you're using the Scotch bonnet pepper, now is the time that you add it in. We just want to stir it up. We're just going to give the saltfish 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to add the butter and the tomato ketchup. We're going to add the ackee in. We're going to stir the ackee with a fork. Or if you use a spoon, it's gonna mash out. And we don't want our ackee to mash out and looking like porridge. We wanna combine the saltfish with the ackee. And we're gonna give this 2 more minutes on the fire. So just cover the pot. Beautiful spicy family, we're checking in on our ackee and saltfish. And please, if you're watching the video and you haven't yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, guys. Beautiful spicy family, help me to get to 10,000 subscribers. And you want to hit the bell, you know, hit bling bling bling, hit that notification bell, so you will be the first to know when D-Don upload a video. So here we go now, beautiful, beautiful spicy family. Our ackee and saltfish is ready, and on the side is some white rice. So you can have the ackee and saltfish with rice and bean, banana, yam, roast breadfruit, boiled breadfruit, anything. And if you check out all my video, I done fried dumpling, fried johnny cake, biscuit. I done how to cook white rice, how to cook bean and rice. You can check out D-Don Kitchen, all those videos, and you see the varieties of stuff. You can have your ackee and saltfish, and this is a Jamaican national dish, ackee and saltfish. So I thank you, beautiful people, for staying true with me to watch this video and to give me a like and to subscribe and to share. I thank you all and I love you. And please remember, before I go, we always have to be our brother's keeper. Let us give a hand out for each other and live on one accord. Peace and love, and I see you on the next one. Take care of yourself, beautiful spicy family. Peace and love from D-Don Kitchen and family. Bye.